Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I will explain how to draw in Notion and if it is possible at all. So the short answer is that unfortunately at the moment it is not possible to directly draw in Notion. However, you may embed drawing from external resources, and let me show you a few ways how you can embed drawings in Notion so that it looks like you draw directly in Notion. So the first and the most simple way is to draw. Actually, I prepared few drawings. I'm not, I apologize, I'm not very good in drawing. So this is a simple drawing that I draw in Paint, and I saved it, and you may just the easiest way, you may just drag and drop it to Notion and see you have this image here. You can adjust using these controls. You may adjust the size of the image. Or another way, we can upload the same image by using command / image and then just upload this image from the source. So that's the first way. You just can upload existing image into the Notion. And the second way, you may use external drawing tools, like for example, this one, Xcali Draw. We have a lot of them, I guess. Miro, another example, I believe, something like this. So let me, sorry, let me add a few details to this drawing, just in case. Yeah, so you have this drawing in this external drawing tool, and then you just get the link, copy the link, and use command / embed. Embed, and then you just paste the link and embed the image. Yeah, and also you can. I'm not sure actually what happened. Yeah, you may also adjust using these controls. And I apologize, guys, I'm not very good in this tool. I just opened it for the first time. But anyway, I guess you got the idea that you may just take external tools, draw images there, and then oh, here it is, and then use it on Notion page, embed it into the Notion page. Yes, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.